Hi guys, this is just a short unboxing video. So without any further ado, let's do the unboxing. This is just an skincare that I often order on Iherb. This is really effective for my skin. Hyaluronic serum. I've been using this for maybe 2 years already. And the other one is this toner. This is the first time that I'm gonna try this toner. Kbeauty Essence Toner. So this is the first time and it has a good review. I'm gonna try this. Look at the bottle. Oh, it's plastic. Maybe blue, dark blue. It doesn't seem a toner, like an essence. How many ml it is? 200 ml. And the next thing is this one. This is the COSRX Cica Toner. If you have a very sensitive skin, you should try this one. This is actually my third bottle already, but it is very small. It has only 150 ml. But it will last a month, so you can try it. If you have a very sensitive skin, this is best for you. And the last thing I've got is this Beauty of Johnson, which is this cream, Dynasty cream. This is actually my fourth already because I really love this cream. I have a very sensitive skin and this cream seems perfect for my skin type. And also it is like a water-based cream. Will give your skin an instant glow. Like the next morning you wake up, you can see the difference on your skin right away. You can use it day and night, and during night I am mixing it with retinol cream. I am using a raw retinol cream, which is very effective and also not so strong. Wait, I'm gonna show you the retinol cream. So this one, the raw retinol correction line smoothing max hydration cream, 48-hour deep hydration. This is really effective and it won't leave your skin like redness. It won't make your skin like tingling like that, because some retinol is very strong, but this is perfect if you have sensitive skin. But you can apply it only at night, because during the day you will get the sun and you can get sunburn. Also, it's not good. If you have dark pigmentation, this is perfect. And also if you have like scars from acne, like dark spots from pimples, it's also effective. So that's all what I've got today, and if you are interested, I will link everything on the description box, and then you can visit the Iherb site and you can choose a lot of affordable skincare there, especially the Korean skincare that I often use is available on Iherb as well. So that's it. Before I end this video, I want to thank every one of you, especially all my members. Thank you so much to all my viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for your never-ending support. I appreciate every one of you. And I guess I will see you again on my next video. I love you all and kisses. Bye!